In this lesson, we'll be gaining more practice with factoring rational functions and finding its characteristics. Given f of x is equivalent to the following rational function, find the horizontal and vertical asymptotes and the x and y-intercepts of f of x. Let's first factor what we can. As we can see, we can factor out the denominator, which gets us x plus 3 times 2x minus 1. Now, the vertical asymptotes is where the function is undefined, and the function is undefined when the denominator is equivalent to 0. So we simply just set the denominator equal to 0, and from the zero product property, we can determine that the vertical asymptotes is x is equivalent to negative 3 and x is equivalent to 1/2. Now, to find the horizontal asymptotes, we can see that the degree of the numerator is less than the highest degree of the denominator, so we know that the horizontal asymptote is y equals 0. Another way of figuring it out is you can also think of the numerator x plus 1 as it also having 0x squared plus x plus 1, since there's no x squared. So you can think of it as 0 over 2, since if the highest degree of the numerator is equivalent to the highest degree of the denominator, you just find the ratios of that. So that's a small little trick to remember the rules for finding horizontal asymptotes. Now, to find the y-intercepts, we simply set x is equivalent to 0, which gets us the y-intercept of 0, negative 1/3. And to find the x-intercepts, we simply do the opposite. We set f of x, or y, equal to 0, and we know that for f of x to equal 0, the numerator has to equal 0, because 0 divided by anything is simply 0. So we just set the numerator equal to 0, we get 0 equals x plus 1, and we get the x-intercept as a negative 1, 0. Remember, x and y-intercepts have to be in coordinate form. And now graphing this, we can see by graphing our horizontal asymptotes and our vertical asymptotes that they do describe the end behavior of our functions, and it does indeed cross the y-axis at the y-intercept and the x-axis at the x-intercept. I hope this video helped. Comment down below any other math topics for me to review. Thank you.